Hey, this will be a video chart on WAVX. Done this one many times and got requests for it. Yesterday, quite a few of them. I just couldn't get around to doing it, so I wanted to follow up today with it. And unfortunately, the sellers hit it today. It was making a very good run in the earlier portions of the day, but as you can see from this upper portion of the wick here, sellers did hit it, and it closed right on the day and didn't form a very favorable candle. Now the good news is the stock's in a very nice uptrend and things like that, but from a shorter term view, it does look like now that a pullback will be in store, just based on this candle. Any chartist would tell you that when you see these sorts of candles, especially on huge volume days like this, that chances of a pullback are pretty high. Now, keep in mind, a pullback and a reversal are two totally different things. I'm not saying that this thing's going to reverse and head all the way back down to 250. I'm just saying that that chances are there will be a pullback. And whether a pullback consists of something like this, where it just barely pulls back, or maybe it pulls back to right around here at the 20-day simple moving average, I don't know, but keep that in mind. A pullback and a reversal are two very different things. And just because you see a candle like this, yes, it means the odds of a pullback are high, but that is not the same as a reversal. So with that being said, where are the key areas of support that we're going to want to keep our eyes on? The one that was established yesterday was right here at $4, and this will be the ideal level that hopefully it can hold. If it doesn't, no need to freak out, but ideally $4 is the area that you would like to see hold as support. Now, sure, that wasn't the exact high. You can see that there's a bunch of wicks that kind of fluctuated, but when you get a stock that's this much in price and no longer a penny stock or a 10-cent stock or a 50-cent stock, you can give or take a few pennies here and there. So I'm just going to kind of use just a broad area and call $4 this area of support. Now, like I said, if $4 doesn't hold, then you still do have not only the 10-day simple moving average, that blue line sloping up, but you also have the 20-day sloping up upwards. And I know this will make some people cringe, but in a more of a worst case scenario, technically the chart could come all the way back down here to this orange line here, which is the 200-day, and then head back up, and the overall chart would still be bullish, simply for the reason of, if it did come all the way down here, this set of lows would be right here, the previous set would be down here. Obviously this set is higher than this set, and you would then still be able to draw an uptrend line like that. Now, I know nobody wants to see it drop all the way down there, but like I said, that's more of a worst case scenario. Just kind of shows how strong the chart is. It could technically fall all the way back down here, put in a low, and then head back up, and these sets of lows would still be higher than these ones, which would be an uptrend. And if we extend the chart out, that is the case even more. When this big move here happened, I'm sure nobody wanted it to fall all the way back down here, but the key part of that move was that you had a low here, and then when it did fall back, it put in this low right here. This low is obviously higher than that one, so it kept this uptrend alive once more. On this pullback, came down. This area was higher than these two, and then you see the rest. So pullback can be painful, can be test your patience, but if the chart's truly strong, like WAVX has been, then it's just one of those temporary things. So that's what to look for. Like I said in a recap, I'm not going to point out any resistance levels, just because at this point in time, the key thing to monitor is just make sure it goes through a healthy consolidation. So keep your eye on $4, and if that one doesn't hold, then hopefully either the 10 or 20-day simple moving average hold. But like I was saying, you still do have the 200-day down here also that would allow you to still put in a higher set of lows. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this is WAVX. Thanks for listening.